To check your account balance on Optus, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open the Optus app. Download and install the Optus app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Optus account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Overview. After logging in, look for the Account Overview section within the app. This area typically displays your current balance, usage, and other account details. Step 3. Check your balance. In the Account Overview section, you should see your account balance prominently displayed. This will give you an idea of how much credit or data you have remaining. Step 4. Use the Optus website. If you prefer using a web browser, visit the Optus website and log into your account. Similar to the app, you will find your account balance on the main dashboard after logging in. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you encounter any issues or cannot find your balance, consider reaching out to Optus customer support. You can call them or use the live chat feature on their website for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance with Optus. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore more resources or contact support for help.